but you have to get them to that website or Facebook page. You have to bait them. So what's the worm on your hook? It's everything you put on your card. What will entice them to go to your website? A bunch of text listing your qualifications? I think not. From a design standpoint, let me offer a few pointers. When it comes to text, only put on there what you must. Don't crowd everything on there. And don't use a font that's hard to read, or one of the dreadful fonts such as Papyrus, Comic Sans, Copperplate, Times New Roman, and so on. You should be familiar with most of these fonts. They're used everywhere. It's awful. Another pointer is to make your card stand out with its design. Download a template or hire someone to design your cards. Here are some cards I redid to make the design look better. Here's the before. And here's the after. And the last pointer, use a fantastic photograph. Get the best photograph.